Day number 2, adventure on the bike. Well, this isn't day 2, but this is our second time on a bike. And we're going to Matcha Mama and wherever else we see on the way.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. I love Tulum so much. Isn't that cute? We're at Matcha Mama. All right, guys, I am at Matcha Mama. I ordered me a smoothie bowl. I'm swinging on a swing. It's so cute here. They're making my thing right now. So excited, it's gonna be so pretty.
A few moments later.
We stumbled upon some jungle Moroccan looking, let me get away from these ants though. Cause this repellent I got don't kill the ants. It's so beautiful out here though. Where are we at? Nomad? We're at Nomad. Beautiful. Check out the view behind me. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, so we just got to Azulik. There's a lot of construction going on outside of the hotel, so I hope it doesn't impede on our experience here, because it is a little loud. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's actually like right on the other side of the lobby. But we just got here. I'll give you a quick little view of what I'm seeing. I came with my bathing suit and stuff. My bathing suit and cover up already on. It's very interesting, I'll say. I'll show you. This is Love It, it's Reggie over there checking in. Oh, is that the water?
Hola.
Hola. Thank you.
Gracias.
So the water that they gave us, right? It's a bottle of water. It's in a nice glass bottle. It's 100%
Wi-Fi is Azulik, and the password is join the tribe.
Oh, so we do have Wi-Fi. Sunny glasses. Okay, y'all. So we have gotten a full tour of Azulik. I would have taken you guys with me, but we had to do like a cleansing ceremony, and Reggie got some footage of it, so hopefully I'll be able to insert it here. But we are now at the bar. We're waiting for our room to be ready. But this is our view. Look how beautiful it is. Everything to me in Tulum is just so beautiful. I just feel like everything is just so freaking beautiful. Birthday girl suite. Please join. Please join. Welcome to MTV Cribs Ashley birthday edition. You are at Azulik and in my suite, and I'm going to give you a tour, okay? So here you have a full-length mirror. First of all, let's show them a view, Reggie. Show them a view. Show them a view. Because this is what you're really paying for. Let's just give them everything up front. Look at that view, guys. Look at that. Come out here. Out here. Look at this. This is the view from the balcony. Balcony view. Beautiful. Love it. Doors open. Okay. Follow me around the corner. Follow me here. Follow me. Follow me down. We have stairs down here. Follow me down here. We have a bathtub / jacuzzi with a swing. Who you know? I'm gonna have to copy out for who you know got a jacuzzi and swing in their backyard. That's from my peeps, DK Gang for Life. Follow them on YouTube, but who you know? Okay, let's keep going. Follow me. We got a little swing situation here too. I don't know if I showed y'all this, but if I wanted to sleep right here, I can sleep right here. But I'm sleeping in the bed. I'll show y'all. Come on, today. Now, oops, hold on with me. All right. Now, got another bathtub over here. We got towels here. We got mosquito repellent, because we're going to need that. And we got bath crystals. Ooh, I'm taking this home. I'm taking all this home, actually. Everything over here I'm taking. Bathtub here. I didn't even ask her how to turn the water on. We're going to figure that out. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me tell y'all. This room don't have any electricity. I think I might have left that minor detail out, or maybe I've talked about it earlier. There's no electricity. We have little areas to light the candles. The housekeepers will come and light the candles at sunset. So we're gonna be in the dock for a little while. We got our toilet over here. It's a real toilet, so we ain't in the outhouse or nothing like that. It's an actual functioning toilet, so we okay on that. Got some privacy here. We have our bed with the mosquitoes, the thing protectors, and show them the ceiling fan, because y'all know I get hot, so we got a ceiling fan right above us. So, I'm gonna be okay underneath this fan. Okay, so your tour is over. I've had enough of this. So that was the end of this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am staying at Azulik Hotel in Tulum. This is room number 24. It is one of the best rooms on the resort. So if you come, ask for a room on this side of the resort so you can have a full ocean view. We are only staying one day here, and today is my birthday, so I plan to continue to vlog. Okay, so we're at Kento restaurant inside of Azulik Hotel. We are getting our welcome drink. We got 2 free drink vouchers, and we are sitting out here. And check out this amazing view. Do you guys see that? What an amazing view. I want to show you it a little better. That over there is a different little area, kind of similar to this, like a bar area. And then all you see is jungle out in the distance. The sun is setting, so I can't see as good, but I'm going to come back in the morning and show you guys. It's amazing view. And it's cute little. I definitely recommend this hotel if you are looking for a honeymoon spot, or even like a anniversary location, or so basically Azulik kind of just specializes or they're known for reconnecting. So it's all about energy, it's all about positivity, and so there's no electricity. There is internet connection, but only in certain areas because they want to promote and encourage you connecting with your spouse, your loved one, your friends, or with yourself. So a lot of times we are distracted by social media, the internet, the phone, whatever other thing, like hence what I'm doing now. But they have different ceremonies and different things that you can do to reconnect with yourself. So hopefully I get to do some of those things tomorrow, and I will bring you guys along with me if I can. I was literally doing fine, and then once the nighttime hit, I got bit all the way up by these mosquitoes. These things came out of nowhere, like literally bit up. Okay, y'all, so I call myself trying to use that natural bug repellent that they had in the hotel room. That didn't work. I had to go back to the heavy duty stuff that we already have. Okay, I'm not playing with these people. So now I'm okay. I got my own bug repellent. Okay, y'all, so we are finishing up our dinner here at Kento, which is the restaurant at Azulik. I'm going to say come here for drinks, okay? Just drinks. Just drinks, and find another option for dinner, okay? I know it's dark and you're probably like, Ashley, what's going on? We can't see you. Why are you filming a video? Don't open the door yet. Rich, you about to blow out our candles. Seriously, don't open the door yet. You see, these are our candles here. We're in our hotel room. I mean, you can open it and just use your phone as a flashlight the entire night. You want to do that?
I just don't know how we're going to do it without getting some breeze up to this thing.
Can y'all see me? This is our situation right now with the candles lit, which is romantic. Yeah, he blew out 2 candles over there. About to blow out another one. Yep, that one's blowing out now. Maybe just those will blow out.
Those will stay out.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, we are at Ice Cream Bar turning up. Turning up. These are our new. Y'all, I'm sitting at the bar at Ice Cream Bar, and why am I sitting around a group of nurses? All of these lovely ladies are nurses. Nurses unite. Woo! Love it. That's better. Good morning. I have a hangover, as you can see. I look crazy. Oh, but my skin actually looks really good, so I'm happy about that. But we had a fun night last night. I probably forgot to film a lot of stuff, but you get the gist of it. Reggie is still laid out here with the clothes he had on last night. Yeah. Good morning. It's our last day here. We're up early. I'm about to go take photos. You guys are coming along with. Let's go. All right, guys, we're out here taking photos on the beach. Reggie, my photographer, gonna set everybody down over here. Wow. We'll take photos. All right, we're done shooting photos. Got some pretty good photos. Ready for bed. We are eating breakfast at Cenote, which is a restaurant here at Azulik. And then we're gonna pack up and leave. I am exhausted from last night, so guys, trying to get it together here. Okay, y'all, the trip is over. We are packed up and ready to go back home. I'm just laying down until they come pick up our luggage and take it down to the front. So I have a headache, probably a hangover from last night, but I need to take something, so probably once we get in our vehicle, our driver comes to pick us up, maybe I'll have them stop and get a Tylenol, Tramadol, whatever, something like that. Oh. But I think overall the trip was great. Loved it here. We'll definitely come back. Azulik wasn't that bad. I think we got a really good room, so it made it easy. There's an amazing view, and the room is not hot. The food just isn't good here. Okay, you guys, I'm not feeling the best, so I'm going to sign out here. Thank you for watching the vlog. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will do my best to link all the information below as far as hotels, restaurants, all the different locations, attractions that we've seen. I will try my best. Outfits, makeup, whatever you guys ask. I'll try my best to leave it in the description box below. Oh, excuse me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And peace. Have a good day. Thanks for... What am I trying to say? Hold on. Anyways, okay guys, I'm just babbling. Thanks for watching. Bye.